Okay, we're about midway through painting, and I just want to point out a few things that might be helpful as you're working. One is have a cup of water handy to put your brushes in so that they're staying, wet and moist so your paint doesn't dry on your brushes. Again, you want to use smaller brushes to get the detail on things like the pepperonis on this pizza. I did put a coat of orange on the bottom. Had to make sure that it was propped sideways, like you see with this piece right here, so that the bottom would dry to get that paint on the bottom. I don't think you need to worry too much about second and third coats on the bottom of surfaces, but it's kind of good to make sure that there's a little bit of paint on the bottom so the project looks good in the round as people take them out of the container. They can see that you've taken the care to add paint to all of the sides. I do have a spot here where a little bit of the pink went onto the yellow. And again, if you want to work light to dark, you're going to want to come back and fix that yellow by adding a lot of white to the yellow so that it becomes a more opaque color. We'll kind of address that later. But I just wanted to add those tips as we're working light to dark with our projects.